Snow falls soft on the ancient stone. Lanterns glow where hearts are warm. Footsteps fade, but we are home, sheltered from the winter storm. The night hums low, its stories told by firelight and whispered breath. Time slows down, the dark turns gold as the cold waits beyond the hearth. Oh, hear the winter bells, they ring through the longest quiet night, calling souls to gather into the fire, to the light. Hold this warmth, this fragile spell, till the morning softly starts. Love still lives where memories dwell by the winter bells of the old hearth. Evergreen above the door, ash and pine upon the flame. Every song we sang before finds its way